Hello and welcome to the installation video for CURT's 13453 Class 3 trailer hitch installed on the 2022 Toyota Highlander. This hitch fits a variety of vehicles. Please visit our website to see the most current vehicle fitment coverage and to find the right custom-made trailer hitch for your vehicle. Before we begin, please refer to your vehicle's owner's manual to identify your vehicle's recommended towing capacity to protect your vehicle, yourself, and everyone else on the road. You can find the instruction sheet linked in the video's description below. Let's begin by identifying the 6 fasteners holding a plastic trim panel in place on the rear driver's side. You will need to remove these fasteners. Take your time as the plastic retainers are brittle and will be reinstalled later. Then identify 2 more fasteners located here. It helps to pull down on the panel while loosening the fastener. Then remove the trim panel. Next, locate 3 factory weld nut plugs on the frame rail located here. Use a flathead screwdriver to pop these plugs out to reveal the factory weld nuts. This is what the hitch will be fastened to. Moving over to the passenger side, locate a metal fascia tab secured to the frame rail with 2 bolts. Remove these 2 bolts and the metal fascia tab. These will not be reinstalled. Now remove 2 more frame rail weld nut plugs that will reveal the weld nut attachment points. There are 2 more plastic bumper support tabs that are held in place by 1 plastic retainer. These retainers will need to be removed. Then the support can be bent down to accommodate installing the hitch. With the help of a friend, raise the hitch into position. On the passenger side, you need to raise the hitch up and over the plastic exhaust deflector. Align the holes in the hitch's side plates with the factory weld nuts. Once aligned, use the included M12 hex bolts and conical toothed washers to fasten the hitch to the weld nuts. Torque the M12 bolts to 86 foot-pounds. Now, use the included trim diagram in the instruction sheet as a guide to trim the plastic panel that was previously removed. We recommend using an oscillating tool or utility knife to cut the panel. Once trimmed, you can reinstall the plastic trim panel and the 2 plastic bumper support tabs. Congratulations! You have now successfully installed CURT's 13453 on the 2022 Toyota Highlander. Remember to identify your vehicle manufacturer's recommended towing capacity before you tow. Get ready to bring it and install the custom vehicle to trailer wiring harness next. And please visit CURT's website for all your towing products and towing information needs. Thank you for watching this video. Hit that subscribe button and always tow safely.